What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple of home appliances that we use to save money. It's coming up right after this. Welcome back to the channel guys. If you're new here, my name is Sean and I'm documenting my journey to financial freedom. I also discuss personal success and self-improvement topics. If you guys are interested in that kind of thing, please consider subscribing. All right. So today I wanted to talk about a couple home appliances that me and my wife swear by that save us money. You'll see these on TV or in any department store, and so I'm going to cover two appliances today. So without further ado, here is appliance number one. So let's say you want to bake something. A conventional oven like this one uses about 3,000 watts of energy, of electricity, to heat up this big oven. It's a convection oven, which means that it moves air around to cook your food more quickly and more evenly. And if you are a all-day kind of cook, this is the best way to go for sure because it's the best insulated of all the types of ovens. However, 3,000 watts, if you cook for about an hour, is about 30 cents on your electricity bill. So that's good if you're cooking something huge like a turkey or multiple different items, but what if you try to cook something a little smaller, let's say like a pizza? That's when something like this comes in handy. This is a Black & Decker toaster oven. It's about 1.5 cubic feet, so it's pretty big. It also has the convection feature like the big oven does, so it cooks your food evenly. But because it's smaller, it's about 15 cents to cook with this thing for an hour, half the price of the big oven over here. So this is a good little unit to use for your everyday cooking or reheating to get your food nice and crispy and saves you half the money. It also will cook your food quicker because it's smaller and there's less air inside to heat up. Now you may be wondering, well Sean, what if we go even smaller? Like what about a conventional toaster like this one? Well, this one is even smaller, yeah. It uses about 800 watts, so it's about 8 cents an hour if you're paying 10 cents per kilowatt hour on your bill. So that's even better, but it only cooks toast. And actually even better than this one is something like a microwave that can use about 1,000 watts over an hour, is about only 10 cents. So these are even more economical than the toaster oven, but they don't get your food crispy. They're only good for certain things, so not as versatile and doesn't make your food as tasty as a toaster oven would. So for us, this thing is the way we go. Hey guys, if you're liking this video so far, please remember to hit that like button and the subscribe button for more content just like this. And now, without further ado, on to appliance number two. Second appliance I want to tell you guys about is this SodaStream. Let me tell you the story about how we got started using this. It all started when my wife and I wanted to cut down on the amount of soda we were taking in every month. I heard that if you replace soda with just soda water, it kind of tricks your brain into getting that bubbly sensation and you save on the calories. Well, guess what? It actually worked. We replaced the soda we were drinking with F.I.R.E, which is just flavored soda water. Now this was great because we were saving on the calories, but we were paying more per bottle for this soda water than we were for cola. Then I remembered the SodaStream, where you can make your own soda water. You just put your bottle in here, and the CO2 canister in the back is good to charge about 60 liters of water and turn it into soda water. 60 liters of soda would cost you $60. 60 liters of F.I.R.E would be $90. But 60 liters of carbonated water out of this machine is only $23. Now, yeah, you do have to pay $120 for this machine up front, but after going through your first canister, you start saving money and it's paying for itself. So this is definitely the way to go if you want a low-calorie drink that has the same sensation as soda, but without any of the calories. The other thing you can do with the SodaStream is you can get syrups that add a little bit of flavor to your soda water. It is sugar, but you can control how much you put in, so you can control the calories you take in that way, which is a little better than the ready-made soda. The canister costs $23 to refill. You just trade in your empty canister and get a new one. A brand new canister is about 26 bucks. So far and away the cheapest option if you want a fizzy drink. So there you have it, guys. Those are 2 appliances that save us money. If you enjoyed this video, again, please remember to hit the like button. In the next video, I'm going to talk about decluttering and some of the things we do to keep things nice and tidy around the house. Until next time, have a great week, spread the wealth, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Black & Decker toaster oven. It's pretty big. It's about 1.5 cubic meters. Sorry. This is a